Good evening. This is JK from your weekly investment channel. Today is Monday, March 20th. Markets are closed now. Markets rebound to a decent gain. However, some of the bank stocks are very weak. These banks are looking for some major banks to help them get through this liquidity crisis. Let's take a look at S&P 500 market action today. Let's look at the market action today. The markets opened 390.80, right? That's what I'm seeing here. It's opened at 390.80 and it's traded up to 394.17. However, right now it is trading 393, slightly lower. It's not an issue at all. Let's look at the 5 days trend. 5 days trend, it is going sideways. 396 was a high and 380 was a low. It was a big bounce in the last 5 days, right? Trend wise, it looks good, but don't know how the overall market health is going to be. It still looks like there is a lot of resistance to overcome this trend line here. It has been bouncing between 380 and 390 for a very long time. Markets are directionless. I have a feeling that it might bounce short term, but longer term trend is questionable. Let's look at Nasdaq action today. Nasdaq has barely moved a bit. It opened at 304, closed at 306. Right now, trading at 305.91. Still, Nasdaq is in the same state at S&P 500. Not much action, just going flat, sideways. But percentage-wise, the gain is very minimal today. Not much of an action. Nasdaq, the top losers are Teams, the Atlassian, Microsoft lost like $7, and these are some of the top losers. And the top gainers are Booking Holdings, the biggest winner, $50. No earnings, but looks like they want to pull it up. Cintas, probably earnings, it went up $9. So there are very good bright spots up in the Nasdaq, but banks are the weakest today as well. Let's look at semiconductor index. Looks decent, but let's look at the SOX index, SMH. It's good, 1% gain. SOX index is about 1% gain. So look at some of the top losers. Semiconductors is AMD. The gains is Broadcom. Broadcom has about $12, right? So definitely SOX index is also really good today. Not much of negativity in semiconductor index. Nvidia's good. Looking at AMD, had a nice bounce for several days, and now it's taking a breath, and it is going to continue on that. So the 61.8 fib is at $98. If it can break above that, it's going to run like a huge run. At least for now, it is looking good. AMD is the bright spot. Let's look at ASML. That's looking good as well. Taiwan Semi, good as well. I think overall stocks looks good. Last in our list is the commodities. Crude barely moved today. It's still at below $70. It broke down last week. How about natural gas? UNG gone down a little bit from $8. This week it started trading at $7. So gold had a huge run and taking a short pause before we can hear where the rates are heading. So gold is like that. Um, Silver looks decent. It also had a nice run, but we are waiting for Fed to announce the rate of hike. 25 basis point, 50 basis point, 70 basis point. That will tell us which way the gold is going to run, right? So commodity is looking good. Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a fantastic day. Cheers.